Hello to you all. In this tutorial, we are going to solve the algebraic expression questions in our WASSCE June 2015 and November 2015 exam. Objective question 8, June. Factorize completely 6ax minus 12by minus 9ay plus 8bx. Objective question 37, June. Simplify 3x minus y divided by xy minus the expression 2x plus 3y divided by 2xy plus 1 over 2. Objective question 12, November. Factorize into brackets m minus n times into bracket 3m plus 2n minus into bracket m minus n all squared. Now let's dive into our solutions. In objective question 8, June, we are to factorize completely 6ax minus 12by minus 9ay plus 8bx. In this expression, we have 4 terms. So we are going to group them in pairs. By so doing, we can, when we consider the first two, 6ax and 12by, we can factor out from the numbers, that is 6 and 12, where we can get a common factor. But when it comes to the variables, we have a and x here, and at the second term we have b and y. We can't factorize variable at this place, so it is not advisable to use these two terms. Let's consider the first term and the third term. So for the third term, you can factorize a number from 6 and 9, and when it comes to a and x and here ay, we can also factor a from there. So we can group them using 6ax minus 9ay as one group. Then the next one, we are going to use negative 12by and positive 8bx, but in this case I would like to bring the positive first, so it will be plus 8bx minus 12by. Now that we have grouped them into pairs, we can go ahead with the factorization. So 6 and 9, the greatest common factor between 6 and 9 is 3. Then ax and ay, we can factor a out like this. Then 3 goes into 6. We are going to get 2. Then ax divided by this a, we will be left with an x minus 3 goes into 9, or 9 divided by 3. We are going to get 3. Then ay divided by the a, we are going to get y. Plus 8 and 12. We can factor 4, because that one will be the greatest common factor between 8 and 4. And bx, by, we can also factor b here. 4 into 8, 2. Then b into bx, we will be left with just an x. Minus 4 into 12 is 3. b into by, we have y here. So at the end, we can see that the content of the brackets 2x minus 3y is the same as the one at this place, 2x minus 3y. When you get something like this, it's a clue that you are on the right path. And when we reach here, we can continue by factorizing 2x minus 3y because they are common. 2x minus 3y is common to both this term and the second term. Then when we do that, we are going to get 3a plus, we have factored this out, so we are going to get 4b. And this shall be our final solution. In objective question 37, June, we are to simplify 3x minus y divided by xy minus 2x plus 3y divided by 2xy plus 1 divided by 2. In solving this given expression, we have to first of all find the least common denominator. And with this expression, the denominators are xy, 2xy, and 2. The least common denominator per these expressions will be 2xy. Why 2xy? Because xy can divide 2xy, leaving 2. And as well, 2xy can divide itself. Likewise, 2 can also divide itself. So, 2xy divided by xy. Let me do it here. 2xy divided by xy. Xy will cancel xy. So we'll be left with 2. And it will be 2 multiplying the numerator 3x minus y. Then our minus sign will come. The next one is 2xy divided by 2xy. It's 1. So it's 1 multiplying 2x plus 3y. When you multiply any number by 1, you are going to get the same number back. And the last one is 2xy divided by 2. That's this denominator. The 2 will cancel the 2, leaving xy. And at the end, we are going to have the one here plus 1 multiplied by xy. This will be the expression we'll have here. When we proceed, we can simplify the numerator by expanding the brackets. 2 times 3x will give us 6x. 2 times negative y will give us negative 2y. The negative times 2x will produce negative 2x. And negative times 3y will produce negative 3y. Then of course, plus our xy divided by 2xy. We can group like terms at the numerator side so that we can see what we can do next. And that one will give us 6x minus 2x. Then that will be for the x's. Then minus 2y minus 3y plus xy divided by 2xy. Six x minus 2x will produce 4x. Negative 2y minus 3y will also produce negative 5y. Then plus our xy divided by our 2xy. And this will be our final answer for the question. In objective question 12, November, we are to factorize into brackets m minus n into bracket 3m plus 2n minus into bracket m minus n all squared. To factorize this, we have to find a common factor, and we know that we can express m minus n differently as let me begin from m minus n to bracket 3m plus 2n minus m minus n multiplying another m minus n. Now the common factor here, we have m minus n here. Likewise, we also have m minus n in the second term. So we can factor m minus n. Then in our next bracket, at this place, we are going to be left with 3m plus 2n. Then minus, we'll be left with m minus n, but that one will be inside another bracket, m minus n. Then we close the bigger bracket, and when we simplify the second bracket, we are going to get m minus n into bracket 3m plus 2n minus m plus n. Then when we continue simplifying, we will get the second bracket as 3m minus m will give us 2m. Then 2n minus 2n plus n will give us plus 3n. And this will end our factorization.